Okay, these are a few more examples on page 382. We're going to do number 17. So we have 4 to the minus 1 and then we have 9 to the 0. So let's deal with 9 to the 0 first. That means 1. Okay, so basically we have 4, eraser, to the minus 1. Okay, and then 4 to the minus 1 we know means 1 over 4. Okay, so that's one we're down with. Now let's see this one. We have to the negative 1 there and we have to the negative 1 here. Let's deal with this one first. If I have this to the negative 1, this is the same as negative 1 over 3. This one to the negative 1, and it's below the line, which means that there's a 1 here as well. It's a double negative. That makes it positive. So this one is going to be minus 2 over 1. And there's a negative and a negative here. So multiply those two, and then we get 2 over 3. And it's positive 2 over 3 because there's a negative and a negative. Okay, positive 2 over 3. Now the next one is a little bit different. Here we're dealing with variables, and the question says write each expression so it contains only positive exponents. So we're just going to rewrite it so that we don't have any negative in our expression. Okay, no negative exponents in our expression. So we know that y to the minus 3 is the same as 1 over y to the 3. That is multiplied then with 12x. That means then the same as 12x over y to the power of 3. Okay? So in order to fit more in, I'm going to just erase this. We're going to do 3 more questions in this little movie. Okay, our next example deals with something similar. We still need to write as positive exponents. Number 30 is x to the minus 5, x to the minus 5, and then y is to the minus 7. So these are both negative exponents. So I can just rewrite this as 1 over x to the 5, y to the 7. Do you see that our aim all the time, our aim is to get rid of the negative exponents, to rewrite it so I would not have a negative exponent. Number 33 says 7s to the minus 5 over 5t to the minus 3. Okay, now to rewrite the s to the minus 5. Now remember that the minus 5 is only for the s and not for the 7. If it was for the 7 as well, we would have brackets like this around it. And then the minus 5 would also have dealt with the 7, but it doesn't. It only deals with the s, okay, because there are no brackets. So there's s to the minus 5. Now if I would write s to the minus 5, so I have here 7 times s to the minus 5 is the same as s, 1 over s to the 5. Okay? Multiplied with this 5 below the line stays below the line because it is, that minus 3 is only for the t. So it's 1 over 5 multiplied with, now t to the minus 3, it's below the line. The rule says it's a double negative, it becomes t to the 3. Okay, so if we rewrite this properly, this would be 7 t to the 3, those two are above the line, and then the 2 below the line is s to the 5 times 5. So it would be better if we just write 5 s to the 5. Okay, and we're going to do one last example in this little movie. We are going to just look at number 36 on the same page. Number 36 on the same page says the following. 4c to the 4 to the power of 4 divided by x to the 2 y to the minus 1. Okay, all we need to do is we need to get rid of this minus 1 because we wanted to write everything as a positive exponent. So if that's minus 1, it's below the line, it's a double negative, it becomes positive. So we have c to the 4 y, and we never write to the 1. it's not necessary because we know it's to the 1, x divided by x to the 2, and those are the 6 examples included in this movie. We're going to look at in the third movie for this section, we're just going to quickly look at how we graph. So stay tuned for the next movie. Bye.